Hello everybody, Andre Harcourt's Prime Property here. I have incredible opportunity for people who's looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with an ocean view. And the area is outstanding. It's guard-gated community in San Clemente. The house has sit-down, kitchen sit-down, ocean and Catalina view from every room in the house. And well, every room that comes to this side, of course. It is an incredible opportunity because the owners are very motivated at this point. They have dropped the price to $1,050,000, from $1,250,000 to $1,050,000. It's absolutely incredible opportunity to own this beautiful view from this beautiful home. So let me show you the views from upstairs. It is recently renovated and has a new kitchen, very bright, new floors. I have that well somewhere onto here. So let me show you upstairs. I will be here in this house today, Saturday, till 4 p.m. So if anybody's interested, give me a call, 949-584-5007. Okay. Updated windows. Look at that view. You have absolutely gorgeous view. Huge deck, huge deck upstairs. Incredible opportunity. There you go. The sun is so bright. The sunset over the Catalina Island back there is stunning. If you want to see it, I can make it happen today at around 4:30 p.m. Just contact me and we'll be sitting and enjoying the sunset. So this is a master bedroom, has a walk-in closet, 2 bedrooms upstairs, 1 downstairs. Well, I hope to see you here today and make things happen. This home's not gonna last. So it's been on the market for some time now. And like I said, they're really motivated. They dropped the price tremendously. And this home's gonna go probably over this weekend. So, see me here, give me a call. Andre Harcourt's Prime Properties. See you later, bye.